Literally just filmed the video and it's already leaking coolant. That's where it's coming from. Hey everyone, happy 2024. So the Z is still here. It's still, I know I haven't posted in a while, but it's still here. This video is gonna kind of be an update on everything, what's happened in the last few months, what's happened in the car and stuff like that. So getting right into it, the Z's motor was shot for a few months from September till about like beginning of January. And that's because the keyway on the crankshaft actually just self-destructed. Like I'm gonna post videos and pictures of it, but I went to a SCCA track night just to get some more seat time, and for some reason the car just threw itself into limp mode.
I'm not sure what happened. I was going down here and it just went into limp. It wouldn't let me
Went
go.
into limp mode?
Yeah.
Shut it down.
Yeah.
All right, wait 5 seconds and try kicking it up again and see what happens.
It just, like, service engine light happened when we were waiting to get, like, you know.
All right, try starting again. Clear?
Nope, it's still there.
All right, can you move the car? Because you're in a bad spot.
Yeah, I can move the car.
All right, can we get you to go behind the wall and then back to the grid?
Yep.
And I scanned it a few times and I cleared the code and it was fine, but then it would just keep coming up. So then I had to cut that track day short. I ended up driving up to my mechanic. He pretty much just tore it apart. We tried a bunch of things, from changing bank 1 solenoid, and then ultimately bank 2 started throwing a code, and then the car just wouldn't want to turn on. So we took apart the timing cover. He checked it all out, and it turns out the crankshaft keyway just folded on itself and it just crumpled up and everything. So we had a loose crank pulley, and that caused it to have some play and then ultimately just back out on itself and fold on itself. We ended up getting a new keyway, making it all fit, pressing it all in, everything was cool. So while the car was down, I did get a few upgrades to it. Besides all the new chains, tensioners, gallery gaskets, water pump, all that good stuff, I added on a ATI dampening pulley. I got a CJM oil pan, and I got a billet boundary oil pump thanks to James Bell, and he really hooked it up for that. But I also wanted to give a huge shout out to Vinny Auto Works. He pretty much took care of the car. He did all of his magic on it and he made it perform awesome. So that's really it for the car. Besides that, this year for 2024, I just want to get some more seat time and get new tires. Honestly, I have these like Sumitomos on it currently, and they're both 2 different actual tires. They're like not the same tread wear or same pattern at least. So definitely trying to get different tires, as well as just more seat time, hopefully on different tracks. I'm trying to go out to Pocono Raceway, and yeah, that's really about it for 2024. I was also gonna mention that your boy got a new head unit. It's not on right now, but new head unit, as well as a dash cam for front and rear. So hopefully we can start to see more cool little clips of the car and on track, getting people behind me and stuff like that. Yeah, that's about it. This video is just like a quick little update. I'm also going to be doing a video on the brake signal switch, which I've been breaking my head over for some time, but that essentially is going to let you heel toe, do standing burnouts, brake boost, left foot braking, all that good stuff without throttle cutting. So, and you don't lose your brake lights, which is super nice. So I'll do an in-depth video on that because I haven't seen much information on it. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for sticking around and watching, and I'll keep you guys posted.
A few moments later.
Well, she's down again. Literally just filmed the video and it's already leaking coolant. Hopefully it's not a cracked radiator, but we're about to find out. I'm not 100% sure. It came out everywhere on top of the engine bay yesterday. Started smoking and I was outside, so had to limp the car all the way back home. But I guess let's see. I tested it out here too, leaked. So yeah, let's see. So it started to get leaking right there. That's where it's coming from. It's now traveling from the belt, from this belt upward. So car's running good now. It turns out it was that hose right there. Right there. Was that popped off. Everything's cool. No leaks, no nothing. Just gonna let it run for a little bit. But I did find out that my serpentine belt is pretty much shot, so I'm gonna have to replace that. Everything's running good though. You can see it's kind of frayed, but yeah, fingers crossed, everything's cool. Just wrapped up the car. It runs good. No more coolant issues. I think it was just that leaky hose. I think the only thing that's left is this timing belt, but other than that, should be good to go. And now the video will end properly. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.